You're like ripping off.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, let's just make that bit of hurt.
Hello. He would.
The snake that's on the ground.
Oh, hey, check this out.
Yes. Nice.
Yeah, head.
I think everything on that bottle is head. Whatever you do. Throw it. Come on.
I might not want to. Oh my god, that'd be funny if I kicked it and hit a car.
Kick it, see how far you can throw it. Kick it that way. Yeah.
See, look how far that went. I went clear down there and back.
Yeah, right. Better than a few seconds ago. Right in the middle of the road. Lovely, Kara.
$5 if somebody runs over it.
Yeah, here comes the car. See what happens. Oh my god. Yeah, right. She didn't run over it. Look at another car. Yeah, I think cars just like pass it. Oh, there it goes.
Well, now they can't pass it. Uh-oh.
That was funny. Don't grab it.